Every day I wake up, money's on my mind. How can I get it without committing a crime and doing some time? However I get it, I'ma stay on my grind. I'ma stay committed. Me being broke, you can forget it. It's not gonna happen, cause I ain't with it. I gotta get this money. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pride. It's been a minute since I talked to you guys about Layer1X. But Layer1X is about to launch, guys. That's right, it's about to launch January 31st. Layer1X is going to launch. I know I talked about Layer1X in the past, and I'm going to put 2 more videos in this video so you guys can get a better understanding of Layer1X. I suggest you guys get into Discord, follow them on Twitter and Telegram as well. But about Layer1X, Layer1X is a trailblazing blockchain platform with a bold vision of revolutionizing the decentralized landscape, unraveling exceptional interoperability, scalability, speed, and security. We stand as the only blockchain utilizing the groundbreaking Xtalk with 2 powerful virtual machines, L1X core virtual machine and the innovative Xtalk virtual machine. Layer1X enables seamless, native, and multi-chain transactions, interactions, authentication, and smart contract invocation and implementation with Layer1X. Experience the fastest operating system on the blockchain where efficiency and cost effectiveness redefine the potential of decentralized technology. And guys, as you know, you can participate in the Layer1X airdrop that's going on right now. Also, they have the L1XAPP that you can get download. You can try it out the swaps. You can swap Bridgeless, guys. Swap Bridgeless in a matter of seconds. No need to have somebody else, get your funds and have it waiting for 5 minutes for it to transfer from one blockchain to the next blockchain. No, seamless transactions with Layer1X. Go Bridgeless, more secure, more safe, faster, and cheaper as well, guys. So I want you guys to watch this video with the COO, Matu, who's going to explain Xtalk. So take about 5 minutes and listen to this, guys. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to put a link in the description for you guys to participate in the pre-sale. Right now, you can participate in the pre-sale and get the Layer1X token for only 50 cents, guys. Like I said, we're about to launch on January 31st. So you know how these tokens do at launch. Also, you get to participate in the airdrop as well. So check out this video by Matu because he does a great explanation of Layer1X Xtalk. So watch this right here.
Let's discuss Crosstalk. Crosstalk is a revolutionary technology developed by Layer1X that allows for seamless cross-chain interactions between any chain Layer1X is connected to. To understand the true power of Crosstalk, let's first start by having a look at the current landscape of blockchains. Blockchains can be viewed in a very similar way we view economies. They have currencies, they have consumers, which are the users, they have businesses providing goods and services, which are the applications, and they have infrastructure, which are the nodes or miners. The current problem with blockchains today is they find it very hard to interact with each other, meaning that if we look at blockchains as economies, we would see the current landscape of blockchain as a group of closed economies that are restricted to only access the resources within their own ecosystem, which is extremely limiting. Let me paint the picture. So imagine if you could only buy goods and services that were produced in the country you were in. Imagine if you opened a business, you could only access consumers within the country you were in. That provides a huge limitation and a big problem for blockchain if it's going to scale and grow. What's the solution? The solution is a system that allows cheap, fast, and safe cross-chain interactions between any chain. Enter Crosstalk. Crosstalk has the ability to open up blockchains, creating open economies that interact and exchange with each other. Crosstalk's virtual machine is extremely unique, where it actually can adapt to any chain that it wants to connect to, meaning that Crosstalk can actually connect to any public, EVM or non-EVM chain, private chain, and hybrid chain. Crosstalk is currently connected to Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, AVAX, Phantom, Solana, Arbitrum, and Optimism. These 8 chains currently hold over 80% of TVL across all chains. And as we move forward into 2024, we'll also be connecting the Bitcoin network. So what can you transfer using Crosstalk? If you're one of the chains within the Layer1X ecosystem of chains, you will be able to transfer assets, so tokens, NFTs, and exchange these cross-chain. Not only that, but because Layer1X has developed an extremely unique virtual machine in Crosstalk, it will also enable the ability to transfer logic cross-chain, meaning that smart contracts on different chains can now collaborate with each other before deploying any capital. A smart contract on Ethereum will be able to talk to a smart contract on Solana, which will be able to talk to a smart contract on Layer1X and another smart contract on any of the chains we're connected to. What that means, it provides an opportunity for a simplified user experience and a more capital efficient experience as well in the DeFi space. Some of the use cases that will help, I suppose, paint a picture of what Crosstalk will enable are these. You could build on Layer1X an NFT marketplace where if an NFT was placed in that marketplace, using Crosstalk and the ability for smart contracts to talk to each other, it could then place that NFT also for sale on any other marketplace, on any other chain that Layer1X was connected to, meaning access to a massive amount of users and liquidity for the NFT space. Once that NFT was sold, also using smart contract logic communication through Crosstalk, it could then burn any irrelevant NFTs that were on other marketplaces and then transfer the ownership over to the new purchaser. Another use case potentially that could be built on Layer1X is a lending aggregator, where an application on Layer1X could accept USDT, and then the smart contract logic could then go and find the best lending APY on any lending protocol on any chain that Layer1X was connected to. Once deployed onto that lending protocol, the smart contract could still listen to the other lending protocols, and if the APY went higher on another one, it could then redeploy that USDT to the better opportunity, making the user experience much more simplified because all the smart contracts are doing all the work in the background and the capital efficiency much better as well. These are just two of thousands of innovative use cases that could be built on Layer1X. So if you are a developer, I do encourage you to look into the technology of Layer1X and really, I suppose, open your mind to the innovations that you could build on Layer1X. The current solution, which most people use today for cross-chain exchange, is or are bridges. Bridges are highly vulnerable and they're subject to attack. Billions of dollars have already been lost to date in bridge hack. One of the things that bridges do is they take custody of your assets in that cross-chain process. What Crosstalk does in terms of leveling up on the security of cross-chain interoperability is firstly, the user or the application using Crosstalk keeps custody of their assets in that process. Another unique features that we bring to the security measures is that Crosstalk, or the hybrid consensus mechanism within Layer1X, uses a cluster-based node architecture and enables mobile devices to become validators. A cluster-based node architecture means that we take the workload of the transaction, split it into tasks, and then send each task to randomly selected nodes to form a cluster to then validate that. We basically decentralize the system, spread it across multiple different nodes and participants to take away a single point of failure or attack vector. Now, with the use of mobile-enabled devices as part of the validation process, there's also potential for millions, potentially billions of devices being able to be present in the validator pool and participate in the validation process, decentralizing it and helping to secure it. These are just some of the unique things that we use in terms of security within the Layer1X ecosystem. Another component worth mentioning is that we use AI in the form of HTM, hierarchical temporal memory, which is a machine learning algorithm that allows us to spot bad nodes before they act. So the HTM acts as a sort of sheriff within the system, ensuring that the nodes that are there to secure the network. So as you can see, Crosstalk not only opens up economies in ways that have never been opened before, but it does it with a very secure system as well. Some other solutions in the market at the moment that do bring another level of interoperability above bridges, systems such as Polkadot, Cosmos, and Chainlink's CCIP. Now, while these offer better solutions in many ways to bridges, they're still limited in a few ways. Limited in the chains that they can connect to, and limited in terms of their scalability and processing times. Crosstalk really is at the forefront of interoperability technology. Its ability to connect to any chain, its ability to be able to process transactions quickly and in a secure environment, all of these factors add up to a system and a solution that has the potential to open up blockchain economies, creating an ecosystem of open economies, allowing blockchain as a whole to scale and grow and bringing more adoption into the space.
So if Layer 1X sounds interesting to you, head over to Layer1XAPP. The link is in the description below. Like I said, you can get yourself some coins right now. You can participate in the $500,000 Layer 1X airdrop and get your chance to win some coins as well. So check it out, link in the description below. Check out the platform, get yourself a username. They got a lot of information on the Layer 1X app that you should be interested in. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.